Three?
No, I'm not a writer.
Okay.
Give up on my way home, yeah. Put me crazy, don't you still amaze me? 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 Give up on my way home, yeah. Give up on my way home, yeah. Put me crazy, don't you still amaze me? 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 Give up on my way home, yeah.
This is the movie for those who.
Girl, I'm gonna get your boots back. Girl, I'm gonna get your boots.
You look too special.
Whatever. Hey, Mackenzie.
Yeah?
When we get to the house, you wanna see my cat?
Yes. I'm gonna go to your house.
We are going to the
and
house.
see the cat.
I guess what Mackenzie, she has a green collar on
Yay!
and a green bowl. Guess what Papa did though?
I'm going
She,
to Papa's
we got
house.
we put her in a rat cage.
What?
I'm going to
But we took her out. But we took the cat out. We were gonna put the cat in a rat cage, but we want to take it out because it keeps getting out behind the board.
I thought the cat was too big for a rat cage.
It's big enough she can pee and poop in there. And then she was trying to get out, but I locked it. And she keeps bumping her head on top of it.
Well, how big is
She's still a cat. She's still like a cat still.
she? Is she a kid or a cat?
I don't know. But his name is Abby. Abby, kitty.
Abby,
Abby.
how big is she from your hands?
Like she's like right here.
I think she is probably a kid.
She likes to sleep a lot and she likes to do all that.
Cats usually sleep for 3 hours.
Yeah, she does.
Or maybe 12 hours.
She kind of sleeps a lot sometimes. That's what she does. She's a kitty. She sleeps a lot. Yo, that's what she needs.
Kylie, we found the kitten.
What?
We found the kitten.
You okay?
Yeah.
Where's she at?
She was outside.
Girl, said when you cat outside then. Only.
She got out.
Hold on her out, BJ or Mickey.
Probably BJ.
You better keep that cat up in a cage.
She has cage,
You should not let that cat get out because you said only. Who, Tibbs? Only Tibbs can go outside.
Yeah. And if I see on my boat, just pick them up.
Do you guys have a letterbox or not? A letterbox?
Yeah, we have a water box.
We don't, but I put the hamster stuff in a box, a big box.
You can beg one, you realize that, right?
What?
It's not very hard to just pick one. But you're going to have to train it to go in there for a night history.
Yeah.
Have you ever picked any of your mouse up yet?
No.
Why, you scared too?
Yeah, because one of my mouses bit me though. The brown one did. The little tiny light brown one.
It bit you?
My mouses. I should get a pet rat instead, but those mouses are too scared to be picked up. They keep running through that tiny little hole.
Try to get one of them to come out.
I was trying to give him food and water to keep on running, trying to run through that tube. One's Angel, one's Angel. I forgot Angel or something. One name was Angel and Angelina. Yeah, Angelina. So yeah, that's what I named it. I should get a pet rat instead, but I got two mouses. It kind of does, you do. She has a little bit of mohawk and not to get it straight. Oh, woo-ha. Who's ready to see the cat? Cause it's got a color and everything. And then I'm gonna get money. I'm gonna get like a name tag, and it's gonna say Abby on it. And then we can put the phone number on it, and then so she won't get lost.
They have that stuff at Walmart when you go in there when Danny goes there.
Yeah.
It has a little peg where it says to put your money.
Yeah.
Peg. You put it in there and it has all of your information on it.
Yeah. Yeah, it does. Woo. That's what's up. Grab a road.
I'm excited to go see the cat, Kylie.
Yeah, your sister told me you found your cat. What was your cat name again, Mackenzie? That little one?
Cleo and
Cleo.
Tibbs is baby.
Yeah. It says when Cleo not getting along straight.
They're still getting along actually really good now.
They're starting to get along.
Yes. Ever since I think Cleo went, he's been missing her a lot.
Tibbs missing Chloe because she's a girl and he's a boy.
Her whole name is Cleopatra.
Yeah, what's up? That's a diva, dude. She's a drama queen. That's a drama queen right there.
What?
Drama queen.
Honestly, the times I gave her Cleo Kitty. What are you doing? Why is it so light?
I don't know. It's probably the camera. What's up with
Why
that?
is that stay outside? Why is it keep the way? Maybe, I don't know. What are you doing?
Sundown. There we go. There it goes.
I get it after the millions times I had it wrong.
Yep. Oh. Kitty, kitty, meow, meow. Kitty, kitty, meow, meow, meow.
Her name's Cleo, not Kitty Meow Meow.
I know. It's called Cleopatra Machine. She's a drama queen. Drama.
She's not drama queen.
Oh, yeah, she is.
There she is now. Oh, Olivia picked her up and she got stuck on her shirt. So then Olivia standing up, and then the kid was like freaking out. So then she shut down the kid and unclawed her nail and ran off and scratched her.
Dang, man. What's up with cats? You know my cat. You know what my cat does?
What?
It runs up the stairs flying, cause it won't stay downstairs. It's like vroom, right fast. I'm like, so I put it in my computer. I put it in my own computer room, the bunk bed room.
Is it nice?
Yeah.
Will it hiss at us?
No.
It's your cat, go boy.
A girl. Her name was Abby. Girl, I told you that. Her name was Abby. Did I just told you that?
It's a girl?
Yeah. My mom knows it's a girl.
Okay.
It is. Brilliant. Even ready to battle, he's a complete fancy pants. Dedication to our color story.
She doesn't have to be petted and sleep such a lot. She likes to eat, sleep, and she kind of sleeps kind of funny. She sleeps on her head for no reason. I'm like, that kind of sleeps weird.
Wow.
He kind of does. Alright guys, we're here. See the kitty. Hey, bye.